talked to people Thursday, last week.
Sir, naayos, nag-meeting na ba yung majority kanina na settle na yung chairmanship?
Yes, and hopefully, but they're still finalizing a few, but hopefully we will read it later. It'll be an election, so everybody will know about it.
Yung mga bigat ang ibang chairmanship na hindi naman nag-resign yung chairman.
Yes, like Senator Win. I confirm that Senator Win will be retained in both Ways and Means and Basic Education because he did not resign.
Tapos ang finance, si Sen po?
I don't want to brand, but yes, she will be nominated later.
Accounts ay si Sir Alan?
Na-elect na siya kahapon.
Okay.
Si higher ed.
Yung papayuanan mo?
They're finalizing it because may mga give this committee, if you give that, sila na muna. But I can safely say that finance, yes, is with Senator Grace.
Sa ano sir, Senator
no
Bato? Senator Bato will stay?
Retained ang committees ni Senator Bato, retained ang committees ni Senator Bongo. As the majority leader, Senator Tolentino would have to let go of justice. And ano ba yung sinabi?
Maritime.
Yung maritime.
Sabi niya, gusto niya ituloy yung maritime dahil tingin ko rin naman siya lang nakakaunawa nun.
Sir, si Sen Joel. Sir, si Sen Joel, ano mapupunta sa kanya?
I don't know yet. We will be offering them some committees. So it'll be up to them which ones they will accept.
The same with former SP.
Everyone should have a committee, and they expressed yesterday, the Senate President Zubiri, expressed to me their desire to have committees and to work and not have any committees, which I wholly agree with. Kailangan naman talaga namin ng katulong. There are over 45 committees, if I'm not mistaken. 24 lang talaga.
Clarified lang.
May hindi ba maliwanag?
Sir, the President wasn't aware of this chasing
I'm relaying to you what he told me. He said, when this whole thing was happening, that's all he said. I was in Dumaguete and Bacolod, I think, for whatever event, and that he learned about it when he landed nang tapos na.
What about the First Lady?
I'm sorry?
What about the First Lady?
We did not talk about it. She was too busy, I guess, preparing. Yeah.
Sir, hindi kayo tinanong bakit nagkaroon ng changes?
Hindi. Sa dami ng kausap at pumapayo kay Presidente, may PLLO pa siya. Mas siguro yun ang papaniwalaan niya kaysa individual na mga miyembro ng Senado na maaaring may kanya-kanyang dahilan para bumoto, pabor o kontra. Wala na tayong kapihan bukas.
Sir, sa tingin mo?
Ako na lang pinakamadaling paraan para umipin.
Sir, sa tingin mo, yung Senate ay nag-move on after nung nagkapalitan ng Senate leadership?
Yesterday was better than the other day. Today, I hope will be better than yesterday. And I hope, henceforth, it will be headed in that direction.
So in short, moving on.
Siyempre, hindi ka makaka-move on pag wala kang pinagdaanan. Isa lamang siguro sa tagal ko sa Kongreso. 9 na taon sa Kamara, 14 na taon sa Senado. Marami na akong pagbabago nakita at sa pagiging batang miyembro ko ng Kongreso, yun na siguro yung pinakamagulong Kongreso sa kasaysayan ng ating bansa in recent history. The 11th Congress of 1998 to 2001. That remains on record and in history as the only Congress, the only House of Representatives that had 3 speakers in 3 years that impeached a president and actually succeeded in impeaching a president. Isipin niyo, first term kami nun. At yun yung kauna-unahang termino matapos ng 1987 Constitution na mahigit 1/3, kulang-kulang kalahati, ay puro bata at puro mga bagong miyembro, neophyte ika na miyembro ng Senado. Maaga kaming namulat sa katotohanan at sa kailangan mga posisyon na kunin, kung kaya't ito'y hindi bago sa akin. Ako man ang napaboran o ako man ang matamaan sa darating na panahon. Alam na rin yan ng aking mga kasamahan. Pare-pareho at pantay-pantay kaming senador. Walang sino man pwede maghusga kanino man at tama ka, mali ka. Itim ka, ba't maitim ka? Ba't maitim ang budhi mo? Walang ganunan. All of us are responsible to our constituencies who put us in office. No single senator can say you are wrong or you are right. All of us are responsible for our own selves. We decide based on our own conscience. And I hope that will come to an end too by the time we resume after this 2-3 month